Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I have a man cave here in miniature, which I actually dismantled because I want to do a makeover in here. I am going to keep the walls are just a tablecloth, a thin tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, and I also printed some pictures out and just gave them a little bit of color, just a little bit of color, but they're actually black and white, and they will stay there. I like the way they look. And up here I have a border that I cut from file folders, black and white checkered file folders. So I removed all the items. This here is a solar light from the Dollar Tree. I have a few of these in brown and black, but I will probably use 2 of these in this creation. Look at how potent that is. So I will be using 2 of these in this room. So stay tuned for the new man cave room makeup. And thanks for watching.